Have you ever wondered how Santa manages to visit millions of homes in just one night? This is one of the most captivating mysteries about Santa Claus, a question that has sparked the imaginations of children and adults alike for generations. You see, according to legend, Santa embarks on a global journey every Christmas Eve, delivering gifts to children while they peacefully dream. Now, let's think about the logistics of this incredible journey. Imagine the sheer speed required to visit so many homes in such a short span of time. It's mind-boggling. And then, there's the question of how Santa navigates the different time zones. Does he start in the east and travel westward, following the night as it sweeps across the earth? Or does he have a secret route that only he knows, a path that defies our understanding of geography and time? Some have theorized that Santa's journey could be a manipulation of time itself. Maybe Santa, with his jolly laughter and twinkling eyes, holds the secret to bending time, to stretching those precious hours of Christmas Eve into an endless night. Or perhaps he has the ability to be in multiple places at once, a power that allows him to visit every home simultaneously. Others believe that it's the magic of Christmas that enables Santa's timeless journey. After all, Christmas is a time when the ordinary becomes extraordinary, when the impossible becomes possible. Could it be that on this one special night, the rules of time and space simply do not apply to Santa? Then again, some argue that Santa's journey is an unsolved marvel of mythical proportions, a secret as old as the story of Santa himself. They suggest that the mystery is part of the charm, a magical puzzle that adds to the wonder and joy of Christmas. So, how does Santa visit millions of homes in just one night? Perhaps it's a manipulation of time, or simply the magic of Christmas at play. Or maybe it's an enigma meant to inspire awe and wonder, a delightful riddle wrapped in the warmth and joy of the Christmas season. Santa Claus, always jolly and never aging. But how? The mystery of Santa's eternal youth is as captivating as the Christmas legend himself. This jolly figure, with his ruddy cheeks and snowy white beard, has been a constant presence in our holiday celebrations for centuries. Yet he remains the same robust, cheerful man year after year, never aging, never changing. The secret behind Santa's immortal presence is one that has intrigued people for generations. Is it possible that Santa Claus, the embodiment of Christmas cheer, possesses the secret to eternal life? Could it be that he has discovered a fountain of youth, hidden deep within the North Pole, that allows him to remain forever old and forever young at the same time? Or perhaps Santa's agelessness is not about physical immortality at all. Perhaps it is about the timeless nature of the Christmas spirit itself. Just like the spirit of Christmas, Santa Claus transcends the boundaries of time. He is reborn each year in the hearts and minds of those who eagerly await his arrival, those who believe in the magic and wonder of Christmas. Santa Claus may not be a physical entity who has found the secret to eternal life. Instead, he could be a symbol, a manifestation of the joy, generosity, and warmth that define the Christmas season. Every year, as we celebrate Christmas, we bring Santa Claus to life. We give him form and shape. We dress him in his red suit and give him his jolly laugh. In doing so, we keep him young. We keep him alive. Santa's seemingly eternal life could be a testament to our collective belief in the spirit of Christmas, a belief that is renewed and strengthened every year. The more we believe, the more real Santa becomes, the more immortal he appears. So, is Santa's agelessness the secret to immortality, or a symbol of the timeless spirit of Christmas? Perhaps it's a bit of both. In the end, it doesn't really matter. What matters is that Santa Claus, in his eternal youth and jollity, brings joy and magic into our lives, and that is a mystery worth celebrating. We all know Santa lives in the North Pole, but where exactly is his magical workshop? The North Pole is a realm of ice and snow, a barren wilderness at the top of our world. Yet, nestled within this frosty landscape, we imagine a haven of warmth and cheer, Santa's workshop. This is the place where the joy of Christmas is crafted, where Santa and his industrious elves labor all year round to create the gifts that will bring delight to children across the globe. This workshop, according to lore, is a place of magic and wonder. Picture a bustling factory, filled with the sound of tinkling bells and the hum of cheerful elves, their nimble fingers crafting toys of every shape and size. Picture Santa, ensconced in his office, poring over his list of who's been naughty and nice. It's an image that warms our hearts, that fills us with anticipation for the magical time of year that is Christmas. But here's the question that tickles our curiosity. Where exactly is this magical workshop? The North Pole is a vast, unmarked expanse. There are no signposts in the snow, no landmarks to guide our way. So where, amidst the ice and snow, does Santa's workshop lie? Some might say it's hidden by magic, cloaked from the prying eyes of the world. Others might suggest it's nestled deep within the ice, a secret cavern of warmth and light amidst the cold. Or perhaps it's not a physical location at all, but a magical realm that exists only for those who truly believe. The truth, my friends, is a delightful mystery. The exact location of Santa's workshop remains an enigma, a charming puzzle that adds to the allure of the Christmas season. It's a question without an answer, a riddle that we may never solve. But isn't that part of the magic of Christmas? The wonder, the anticipation, the mystery? Could it be that Santa's workshop is cloaked by Christmas magic, or is it a charming part of the story we love to tell? Perhaps the answer lies not in finding the workshop, but in the joy and excitement that the search inspires. After all, the magic of Christmas is not in knowing, but in believing. Flying reindeer, a magical sack, entry through chimneys, where do Santa's powers come from? We've all wondered about the extraordinary abilities that Santa Claus seems to possess. These powers are not just a fascinating part of his legend, but also a delightful mystery that adds to the charm of the holiday season. Let's first talk about Santa's flying reindeer. Now, reindeer are known to be strong and resilient creatures, but flying through the night sky with a sleigh full of gifts is certainly not something within their natural capabilities. So how does Santa's reindeer take to the skies? Is it the magic of Christmas Eve that provides them with this gift of flight? Or is it Santa himself who bestows upon them this power? Next, we have Santa's magical sack, an endless repository of gifts. It's said that no matter how many gifts Santa pulls out, there are always more to be found. This defies the laws of physics, suggesting a magical element at play. Is it a special enchantment that Santa carries, or is the sack itself a magical object? Then there's the chimney conundrum. Santa, a robust, jolly man, is said to slide down narrow chimneys with ease, despite their size and structure. This feat seems impossible unless one has the ability to change their form or size at will. Is this a part of Santa's magical abilities, or is it the magic of Christmas working its wonders? The origin of Santa's magical powers is a topic of much curiosity. These abilities allow him to perform tasks that defy natural laws, contributing to the enchantment of his character and the Christmas season. But where do these powers come from? Are they inherent to Santa as a mythical figure, or are they granted by some unknown mystical force associated with the holiday season? Are these abilities inherent to Santa, or do they stem from some unknown mystical force of the holiday season? As we ponder this question, we are reminded of the magic and wonder that surround the legend of Santa Claus, a magic that brings joy and excitement to the holiday season. Santa knows if you've been naughty or nice, but how does he do it? This intriguing question forms the heart of our final mystery, the mystery of Santa's omniscience. Santa Claus, a symbol of Christmas cheer and goodwill, is renowned for his uncanny knowledge of the actions and intentions of children worldwide. His legendary list, categorizing every child as either naughty or nice, suggests an extraordinary level of omniscience. So how does Santa do it? How does he keep track of the behavior of millions of children scattered across different countries, cultures, and time zones? The sheer scale of this task is mind-boggling, making it one of the most fascinating enigmas of the Santa Claus legend. One possibility is that Santa's omniscience is a supernatural aspect of his character. As a mythical figure, Santa may possess the ability to know everything about everyone, an attribute that aligns with his magical powers like flying reindeer and a bottomless bag of gifts. This theory lends a touch of divine mystery to Santa, enhancing the enchantment that surrounds him. Alternatively, Santa's omniscience could be an allegorical element, designed to teach children about morality and the consequences of their actions. The idea of a kindly figure who rewards good behavior and discourages naughtiness is a powerful tool for instilling values and ethics in young minds. It's also worth considering that Santa's knowledge might be a blend of the supernatural and the symbolic. Perhaps his omniscience is a magical ability that serves a moral purpose, combining the wonder of the Christmas legend with a meaningful message about right and wrong. So, whether you view Santa's omniscience as a divine mystery, a moral allegory, or a combination of the two, it's clear that this aspect of his legend plays a crucial role in the magic and morality of the holiday season. Is this knowledge a supernatural aspect of Santa, or an allegorical element teaching children about consequences? The answer may remain a mystery, but it's one that adds to the charm, intrigue, and enduring appeal of Santa Claus. The mysteries surrounding Santa Claus are part of his charm. From the enigma of his timeless journey and eternal presence, to the undisclosed location of his workshop, the origin of his magical powers, and his uncanny omniscience, these unresolved puzzles are woven into the fabric of our festive spirit. They fuel our curiosity and foster a sense of wonder that transcends age, reminding us of the magic that Christmas brings. Perhaps these mysteries are best left unsolved, allowing our imaginations to keep the magic of Santa Claus alive. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey into the mysteries of Santa Claus. We've explored the enigmas, the secrets, and the magic, but the story is far from over. What are your theories? Do you have any thoughts on these unsolved mysteries? We'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your own interpretations and ideas. If you've enjoyed this video and want to delve deeper into the unknown, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. We have more intriguing explorations lined up for you. Keep the magic alive, and remember, the spirit of Christmas is in the joy we share. From all of us here, we wish you happy holidays. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.